Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisors for today. Market again open on a flat note. Nifty kind of struggling in the morning when we saw the Asian markets, especially Nikkei was down by almost 300 points. And right now, while I'm talking to you, Nikkei has just drifted more downwards to 450 points. Now, this has happened because the dollar has kind of weakened to kind of a 2-year low, or maybe more than that, against the yen. So that's kind of counted the shifting in the stocks from the kind of the Japanese markets to the other markets. So we thought that our market would also open in the negative. So that did happen. Market was once upon a time in the Sensex right now was down by 155 points. It has recovered a bit. We have seen kind of some bounce today, in especially in real estate as well as banking stocks. These are the rate sensitive stocks and in the sectors. And we are seeing kind of some bounce happening in those hammered stocks like SBI, Axis Bank. We have seen today the Yes Bank is also up by 2%. ICICI Bank. So these are all stocks in the banking space which are doing tremendously well today. In the real estate space, DLF is leading the rally up by almost 3.5-4%. iBull Real Estate up by almost 4% and as well as HDIL. So kind of these stocks which are like high beta, which were kind of hammered in the last previous few sessions, are kind of seeing a bounce today. Maybe it's a short covering or a kind of a bottom fishing. We are yet to see, because today is just the first day where we are seeing kind of bounce. And if it does last, maybe say tomorrow or day after, then we can see that kind of there is immediate bottom formed in these stocks. Apollo Tyres fell nearly 3% ahead of its earnings today. Analysts are expecting the profit to dip by 8%, so we need to watch out for the results. And even though subsidiaries like Dunlop are not doing that well either, so that is kind of putting a drag on the company as a whole. Friends, again we have Unitech, which came out with the fantastic results, profit up by almost 60%, and even sales has risen. The interest cost, which is kind of the biggest kind of hurdle, that has declined on the quarter-on-quarter basis. So that's a very good news for the company, which is kind of heavily relied on the financing cost. So that stock is up by almost 4.5%. On the intraday basis, and even Citigroup has kind of retaliated its buy rating on the stock. Friends, we have SpiceJet. That's the stock, another stock which is in the news. It has rallied more than 5% today after the Tiger Air, that is the low-cost airline, Singapore-based company, is kind of acquiring or planning to acquire a 24% stake. So, I mean, no update has been kind of given from the Tiger Air company. So we need to wait and watch out for more updates on that corner as well. Coming back to the Forex update, 61.35 is the rupee trading against the dollar, still kind of weakening, but hoping that after the few measures which have been taken by the RBI and the kind of government relaxing the ECB rules for monitoring or for kind of refinancing the rupee debt. Friends, that's all the update we have till mid-market. We'll get back to you more in post-market. Thanks.